Greetings! We are proud to introduce our newest addition to the Netron fine line of industrial cutting and sewing machines. The Netron NT-6700 5-thread, fully automatic, direct drive, computerized cover stitch sewing machine. The NT-6700 comes ready to work with our new feeding system. Created for high durability and easy adjustment, Netron's micro adjuster is introduced for easy and precise control of stitch length and differential ratio. The ratio stays the same even if you change the stitch length, as main and differential feeds are linked. For more information regarding this machine or any other from our fine line of cutting and sewing machines, please reach out to your regional sales representative. Thanks for watching.